Hi everyone, it's Robin. Welcome back to the nest. My Happy Mail video cut off too quick. I don't know why it did that. I just want to thank Susan, Sarah, and Daniela for the Happy Mail again. I loved everything, and I just really appreciate it so much. And I apologize that my video cut off. What I'm doing this video for is the Crafters Companions Shaker Card Craft Kit that I picked up at Tuesday morning, and I thought that I would go through and show you all what all you get in it for $12.99. I didn't have time when I did the Happy Meal. When I did the haul. So anyway, it opens up. I just love how it's just so. It's so classy the way that that they do these. I just love it. So this is just a little card that you receive on the top, thanking you for your purchase. And then they have this pretty tissue paper holding it. Oh my goodness. Okay, so you receive some bling in 3 different colors, 4 different colors. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 different colors. 4 different colors. Yes. And then some ribbon. 2 different sizes of ribbon. Oh, look at these dies, you all. Look at all those layering dies right there. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 different circles. Some of them look like scalloped, like thin scalloped, and then some of them are solid. And then love, and then this is squares that are 1, 2, 3. You get 4 of the squares. Some are scalloped and some are plain. And then the little hearts. There's 2 of those. 1 scalloped, 1 plain. And then this says hello. Wow, that's a lot of dies right there. Just that alone is a lot of dies. So let's see. Can I put this out like this? Can you all still see it? Okay, then, oh wow. Let me grab a piece, I'm grabbing a piece of black cardstock. Okay, so on here, I hope that the glare isn't too bad. You know what? I'll just do this. Maybe that will cut down a little bit on the glare. Yeah, I think so. Look at all the stamps that you get. So there's a little mermaid and turtle, fish, butterflies, a little house, stack of presents. I'm not sure if that's a leaf or a tree. There's a unicorn on here, a little bird, a bunny, another little house or building, some flowers, balloons, some leaves, and I think that's a starfish right there. Wow. Okay. And then you get another stamp set. I need to move that one so you can see here. You get that stamp set. I don't have enough room on my table. Let me move my coffee cup. Sorry guys. Oops. Here, let me set these aside too. Okay, now for you get these, all these stamps, and they say happy birthday, hello, just for you. Let's celebrate. Hope your day is as special as you are. Thinking of you. Miss you. Special friend. Thank you. Happy birthday. It's a different font. On your special day. All the best. Wishing you a happy birthday. Have a wonderful day. So you have sentiments go on the outside of your card as well as on the inside of your card. Plus, you can use these dies. I was trying to look and see if the dies and the stamps correspond, but they don't. because this hello here is a little bit smaller than the stamp. But I love that. You know, I'm really loving Crafter's Companion. Their mystery box was amazing. So then you get a big roll of double-sided foam tape. I don't know how much is in there, but they provide that. And then look at all this shaker mix. There's stars and sequins, and is that not pretty? Oh yeah, the light's catching that really nicely. Okay, and then another pack. This is white, and they're iridescent, as you can see, and it has the stars in it as well, and different size sequins. Oh my goodness, look, you get a yellow pack. Holy, we're not done. There's another pack in here. Oh, look at that. Is that not gorgeous? Okay, and then we get our card blanks. Card blanks, and sorry for the crinkling, but I said I would open it with you guys, so I apologize. So you get all of these card blanks, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these that are probably what, A2 size, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these that look to be 5 by 5, and then these are the larger ones, and you get 2, 3, 4, 6 of these. So there are all of your card blanks that you get in it, and then your corresponding envelopes for all of those. I'll put those up there. And then you get your acetate sheets. Let's see how many. See what the acetate, the quality's like, as well as how many sheets. So let's open it here. Oh, it's good quality. Did y'all hear that? It isn't completely clear. It is a little bit cloudy, but as you can see there, but you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sheets of it. That's, wow. This is a lot. Now remember, I only paid $12.99 for this. That's great. And then you get your colored cardstock, and it's in several different colors as well. You could make so much more than just the cards that are here with this. So there's yellow. Looks like there's 3 sheets each. A pink. That's kind of a, I don't know how to explain it. It's kind of not really navy, and it isn't really like teal, deep teal. I don't know how to explain that color, but it's pretty. Then there's a pretty turquoise or robin's egg blue, and then like an orange rusty color, burnt umber maybe, and then a pink. And so you get 3 of each of those. Let's see, let's just put this down here. And then you get your printed paper. And I'll just go through these really quick. I bet you get 3 of each of these. Yes, you do. So there's 3 of this pattern. 3 of the yellow polka dots. I'm not a huge fan of yellow. It's my least favorite color. But if you throw enough pink or something on it, it'll be pretty. And look how pretty those two would be together. I can do that. These daisies are so pretty. The polka dots, that would be great for a birthday. The pink. The hearts. Look at the teeny tiny hearts. I'm going to pull it up close. Isn't that pretty? You know, ladies, if you wanted to do the hashtag No Paper Left Behind, this would be a great kit to do it with. And look at all the cards and stuff that you can make with it. I love that. And then this is the last one. So for $12.99, this is what you get. And I think that's an awesome deal. I don't know about you guys, but I think that's amazing. I love it. So that is what is in the Crafter's Companion Shaker Card kit. They had several different kits again, like they did one time before. But the shaker card is the only one that I picked up. And look, they give you all of these examples here. And I think these were the same ones that were on the front, but it's amazing. Great deal. So if you're looking for something like this and you want a lot of bang for your buck, this would be a really good way to do it. So anyway, thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you enjoyed. Talk to you later. Bye.